Alright guys, we're doing something different to this furnace. The flame keeps shutting off, guys. I check everything else. Basic check. I'm not a professional, guys. So I checked my drain plug, it was block. And guys, I pulled this line and look at this. Look at all the water was in this system, guys. And it's full this bucket of water. So guys, according to anything, I get the water build up in it. So guys, if this might help you, check this line for water build up. This is a Carrier 58MCB080. So, and if you want the instruction of your code, it will be on your panel right here, and your schematics if you're an electrician. So yeah guys, so water is coming out of this like crazy. So look at the water in the bucket and none running out of the drainage. So clearly have a problem with the water in the system. So if you get a P31, it's gonna be blinking through here, 3 long and 1 solid, 31. So check your intake vents, your pipes going out. If they appear clear, check all the pros. Something restriction, guys. I put in your filter and let's see if the problem's still there. At least it's turning on now, guys. Flames are very nice and they're not coming back. So once they're coming back, there's always a problem with the heat exchanger inside. So these flames are normal. And guys, check this hose, make sure it's full of water and all the water comes out, guys. If you're in the winter season, something probably get down into your system. And guys, you need to do those checks, guys. If these guys do your furnace, sometimes they're not really honest. They just give you a bunch of bullshit and take your money. So guys, always check the lines for plug and check your heat exchanger. This connection here, that's a sense to turn on the valve. So that show you this is working. And this one is to ignite, the igniter. And yeah guys, I don't know too much about these, but I'm a mechanic, so I kind of got a little idea. So check this line, guys, make sure they're not blocked, the plug. And this code I'm getting on this one is a code 31. So this line, a good bunch of water came out of this and out of the drain. So you can hear the water, guys. So I don't know where this water go. Maybe the water is clearing up now. Maybe the water is in the bottom of this motor. So guys, it's running now, light steady, and let's see how it goes, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. We got a little bit of everything for everybody. Don't be shy. Catch you in the next one, and check us on my next video, guys. See something you might like. Look what I was talking about. I just pull the hose and I put the water. See, P31. Check this line, guys, and it's got to be stopped running so the water pressure could come back out. And it's not draining from the drainage, but it's coming from here. And guys, make sure all the water is out, because it's not normal for water to be in the system like this. And if this helps you, it helps you, guys. Thank you very much. Anything to make you guys save some money. I'm out. Guys, look at the amount of water in the system. I don't think it's normal for water to be in this system like this, but I don't think it's normal at all. Look at the amount of water coming out of this, guys. Look at this. Is that normal? Somebody tell me. So I'm taking back off my panel. Yeah guys, so the water is coming here, but it's not draining. So clearly this have a block line or some blockage along the line. So we're gonna try taking this one out. See guys? Sorry for that. Okay, take out the water's coming the other way, not the other way. So okay guys, we're gonna clean this out. Okay guys, so we're gonna clean this. Make sure this is not plugged. I'm gonna alright guys, so if you're new to the channel guys, I'll give you an update on this one. P31, check your water intake, make sure your water is draining. If it's not draining guys, look at the amount of water inside the bucket. This could be cause your problem. We make another video to update it guys, and then yeah, so if I did make another video guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This furnace is a Carrier 58MCB080. Thank you very much, and catch you in the next one. Alright guys, we're gonna turn back on the switch. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's on. Take out majority of the water guys. Look at the water that came out. That's not even normal. So the water drain here and come back out. So I don't know where this hose going, but there was a lot of water in that shit. I don't think it's normal, or maybe it's not draining, who knows. So put back in the thing, it's doing a cycle. You're supposed to see it start getting hot soon, and when they start spinning, throw a light there until we get solid light. So just doing this thing, not yet. I wish if this fixed the problem guys, because that's water condensation catch up from the motor from other places and just blow this line. It feels like it's free now. Put it back on. Put back in on connection. Yeah guys, so it starts spinning. Let's see what she does. That's a normal cycle guys. So the light is solid, which is a good thing. Guys, look at the water that came out of this. That's crazy. Okay, so it's igniting, and there's a flame sensor there that turns on the gas. We just start catching up right now. Okay. I mean, this sensor is working. I cleaned that already, so. And let's guys see how it go guys, because it was shutting off, so no water back in here build up. So let's see if that fixed the issue guys. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And this is I'm not an expert in this guys, do this at your own risk, but I'm showing you what working for me. It's code number 31. I know because I check on the back of the board. There's a code list right here, and it's schematics. If you heater guy for this furnace guy, not for me. So I put in your filter guys, and the filter have direction. I always put the filter facing the airflow to the motor, don't flick it backwards. And yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope this consider subscribing. I hope this helped you on your journey. Code 31. I'm out.